What is up, YouTube? And today we're going hiking. So my mom's holding the camera. Let her say hi.
Hi, y'all.
That's my mommy. And
Oh,
that's my
yeah.
dad, baby, and little brother. And this is
No.
my sister, good at TikTok. That's why she's doing TikTok dances. So,
Let me
you
me
wanna
bata
watch,
le.
guys? Come on. Go.
No winum na thela te bia ye ve ha ka ba ka chuma na la bom mu.
And I'm wearing my mom's purse. Because she wants me to do it. Yeah, my sister's too lazy to wear it. You know. Yeah, you know her.
E mu nya ta lo khai. Eh la ko me ni na. Dura de nun dur panela na ha dura ka pa ye do.
The water is over there. It was part of the Fories. And that's. Can I hold the camera? Please. But you were. a lot. And here, the pathway is going to be even longer than usual. Like,
It's not only your channel. I'm not going.
this is my dog's eye. Let me show you heaven. This is Heavenly. Heavenly and my dad. This is the dude who's asking for the camera. And this is Mr. Weird Guy. Because he's skinny like Siren Head. And you can see his bones. And that's my mommy carrying everything. And that's the dude still begging for camera. Well, you are a boy. So, girl. Look at the water over there. See the water? Then talk. Talk.
Along with us. Guys, let's go.
You're gonna be the talker and I'm gonna be the cameraman. Wait.
Woo. You're not a cameraman, you're a camera woman.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Say stuff.
See you.
Boom. We're in the same spot. Denny was our exploring. Like, there's so many trees. What if we get lost? But we're actually on a trail, as you can see. I'm looking at some veggies to see if there's any of these like type of vegetables that in my language we call tikikora. So, and this dude randomly falling over and stuff. And the weird dude asking for the camera, and he said he wanted to talk, but he didn't talk. Talk, dude.
Okay, I'll talk.
We might be here for a long
Blah,
time.
blah, blah.
Because, as you can see, I'm really slow. My dad's all over there, even though he's carrying a baby. It's because I have foot pain. And I almost tripped. My sister almost tripped. We're going to post this on YouTube and Facebook.
No!
Why'd you say that to YouTube?
Watch it. Not for YouTube.
This is for YouTube.
Censored.
Censored.
I don't know why I'm all the way at the back, YouTubers. Subscribe to my channel now, or there will be a spider crawling in your ear.
Big liar.
Or I will steal all your toys.
But what if it's more than a 20-year-old? Oh, what kind of 20-year-old would have some toys? 18-year-olds?
I'll steal your tactical shotgun before.
Bye.
Bye.
See you in the next video with my fam.